I want to yarn. I want to sorrow. See, me, I no come here come speak good English. I no come here come speak grammar. I come here to stand for Baba Showore. You understand? First of all, I want to draw this attention to the expired Inspector General of Police when don serve for 36 years. When no one retired, go house, go rest, so that they will fit promote younger officers when they look up to become IG one day. Because if that the other officers, the other IG them, no retire, him now for no be IG. You understand? Yeah. Nigerian police officers, they suffer. The men and women of the Nigerian police force, then they suffer up and down. Many of them no fit pay their children's school fees. Many of them no fit feed their family. But still yet, now then they protect their lives and property for all these useless big politicians when no fit put law when go favor the police. Comrade Showore, stand up. Start to talk about police welfare. Start to talk about police lives. Start to talk about the retirement of police, their benefit and everything. At the end of the day, the APC IGP Egbetokun when don serve for 36 years, when deserve Guinness Book of Record, feel say he fit arrest am to oppress and to silence his voice. We Nigerians, you no get anybody wey dey fear. See this 10th generation, this Gen Z generation, we no dey fear anybody. If una dey fear me, I no dey fear. See, even Tinubu when the president, we no dey fear Tinubu because him don first use hunger sef, make everybody dey attention like this now. Make everybody wake up because we now we no dey fear. We are giving the Inspector General of Police, we gave them 1 hour before, and that 1 hour don pass. We dey give them 30 minutes to release Showore for us. If not, we go occupy everywhere. We go occupy in office, we go occupy in house. May notice say we no know their house. All of them, both Tinubu, all of them, we go their house, go occupy everywhere. No peace for the wicked. See, when Nigerians stand up, it's a warning. Yes. If na feast and a threat, make na see am as threat. No get what they fear. The day when we go stand up for this country, one by one we go leash na outside there. We go scatter una mind go there. No joy for the street. We no get joy again. Everybody dey vex. I no get joy.
Our peace and joy has been.
No joy.
Okay, please, I want to
ladies and gentlemen.
they send their details to the letter.
Yes.
Every nonsense that they've been doing in this country, whether the people they've been killing, journalists they've been locking up, no problem. Even if you lock all of us here today, stronger and louder voices will come out tomorrow. The message just needs to be clear. Nigerian oppressive class, from Egbetokun to Akpabio to all of the wicked, all the evil guys who have kept us subjugated in poverty and repression. Your time is up. Nigerian masses are going to rise up. Yes. A people united can never be defeated. A people united
can never be defeated. A people united.
Revolution
now. Revolution now. Revolution now. Gentlemen of the press, this is a just an exercise today, and they are planning by all means to see how they can detain or arrest Omoyele Showore. But the message is clear that we are not afraid. Even Omoyele Showore himself is not even afraid. He has prepared already. He came here with his bag. His detention bag with clothes, enough clothes for him to be changing. Paraventure if they arrest him and detain him. But the truth remains that we that are outside, even though they also come after us, we are not just in this number. That's why I said that this is just like a rehearsal. Now, the oppressed Nigerian people should not think that this is a fight of Omoyele Showore or this is a fight of our movement. This is a fight for survival in Nigeria. Can you imagine illegal Inspector General of Police Egbetokun? Can you imagine his mistress was allegedly be promoted onto a rank that she's supposed not to get so within 10 years, and because of Omoyele is exposing all of these unjust practices of Egbetokun, is now grieved, sending his boys to go after Omoyele Showore, thinking that by so doing they can silence him. Of course, Egbetokun is supposed to have by now read history about our struggle, read history about Omoyele Showore. Our resistance have no limits, and we are not afraid of whoever that is involved. Yes. The truth remains that if you arrest one of us, yes, or you oppress one of us, or even any Nigeria, in as such you come to our hearing, we will come out for whosoever that is involved. Yes. And that is what they need to understand. What Egbetokun have decided to do today is to try to plan of how he will shut down the economy of this country. EndSARS will be a child play because they did it before and they use all their cunning craftiness to make sure that they seize the passport of Omoyele Sowore so that he cannot travel. Till today, they keep postponing the sitting of that case. They make sure that the Omoyele Sowore didn't travel and they want to see hold him again. But if that is what they wish, let it go ahead. But the truth of the matter is that the resistance they have never expected or they don't think of coming will come. That is the promise we are promising there. Thank you.